the Army Days event, Run for Unity, has been organized on 29th of January, and the run will start from Sports Authority of Goa Athletic Stadium, Bambolim, and will end at the same venue. Run for Unity is organized in association with Rotary Club of Parvarim. The aim of Run for Unity is to reach out for the youth of today and to motivate them to join army or services and know how disciplined this force is.
As far as organizing the marathon and the 10K and the 5K event is concerned, both the events will be flagged off at SAG Bambolim Stadium. The 10K event will be flagged off at 6 o'clock in the morning, and the 5K, which is the fun run, will be flagged off at 6:30. The route is start is SAG Stadium, then we take the underpass and go towards Goa Medical College side, front of the entrance, and then we will be taking the Goa University Road. The turnaround for the 5-kilometer fun run will be somewhere near the Aldia di Goa entrance, and the turnaround for the 10K will be at the Odsel junction. So the start as well as the finish of the race is at the same event, that is the SAG Stadium at Bambolim.